How to transfer data from Android to iPhone. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do on your Android device is to go to your App Store and search Move to iOS just like on our screen over here and install the specific Move to iOS app. Click on open and this is what you should be able to see. There's a whole other process at the start, but that's just for some basic verification and basic steps. But this is the actual process here. So there are two methods or two ways for you to be able to do this. Either you connect via cable from your Android device directly to your iOS, or you also connect via Wi-Fi. So if you click on continue with Wi-Fi over here below, it should appear here, or your iOS device should appear here if you have both connected on the same Wi-Fi. Now, if you were doing the cable, you can simply click on continue over here, which will show or pop up a code on your iOS device. And you need to have your iOS setup assistance and you have to select from Android for the transfer, as you can see here at the instructions, and click on continue, and you should be able to enter the code from your iOS device here. By doing that, you should then be able to transfer your apps and data, whether it's from your iCloud or Mac or PC or anything related, any information that you could transfer from your Android to your Mac or your iPhone. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.